I like going through the garden center because there's no one there. All right, let's find this thing. All right, we've got some decks that just showed up to the shop. We've got Quasi and then restock on Indies and more mop grip, I think, in here. Excited to see those new Quasis, but before we do that, I want to go to Walmart. I want to get a headband for the GoPro so we can do some POV action. I like going through the garden center because there's no one there. All right, let's find this thing. Ooh. GoPro head strap 2.0. I don't know what the 1.0 is like. Of course, you get this thing. If you ever had a GoPro, then you probably have a crap ton of these things. That thing. Here is the GoPro head strap. Can you see that? But the goal is to throw it on the head like this and then have the GoPro attached and then unbox things, do some shop interactions. I don't know, it's gonna be kind of funny wearing this while doing some shop interactions. But the audio, my lav mic will sound way better with this than on my iPhone, because the previous video, it sounded like I was in a tin can. I hated that. Let's test this out. Let's unbox the Quasis with this on. I have no idea what this looks like from the head mount perspective, but I guess we're gonna find out. This one is the Quasi 8.5. Ooh. This one's that foil, chrome foil with blue Quasi right there. That thing's sick. Oh, you can see myself in the board. I like Quasi. Big fat shovel nose there. All right, next. We got another 8.5. This one's kind of interesting. I think that's a lizard, maybe, and that's that bear little thing, I guess. I'm not really sure. Q38, if you guys know anything about the shapes, some have fat noses, some have more of a tapered nose, traditional nose. I think the Q38 has the regular nose. And you get a sick Quasi poster, double-sided, by the way. All right, here's another one. This one's an 8.25. Interesting. Q74. Everyone's been requesting Quasi lately. All right, here's another. This one is that same one, Q74. Interesting graphic. I like it though. Quasi. This one is the Q46 875. Poster and sticker. I wish every board company did that, but you know, it is what it is. All right, we got the decks on the wall. We got the Quasi 875, 85, 85, 85, 825, 825, 825. We've got the ritual decks. I'm not sure if I showed you guys those decks in the last video, but if you want to watch the unboxing, it'll be on Get Real Board Shop, Instagram, YouTube, all the socials. We've got Pal Deck, Real Deck, 838, Lil Dre, Girl, and then Disorder. Shout out Nyjah. Just took a huge slam. I don't know if you guys seen that yet, but it's gnarly. But yeah, all these decks tomorrow, we'll have 30 decks coming in. So this whole wall, and this is already kind of filled up. And then we'll have to fill up that side of the wall as well. Those are what the decks look like when they're on the shelf. I like doing it this way so people can see the decks as they come in, and you could just go like this. Oh, I like this one. Pick it up, look at it, and then they can easily put it back. A lot of the other skate shops that I've seen, they have them all like layered like this, and it's kind of hard to see the graphic. So you're just pulling out a bunch of decks. But yeah, this way you can see the decks and kind of make your decision from there. But yeah, that's it for the decks. GoPro died. I have no idea what the head strap POV view looked like, but we're gonna find out. All right, it's time to close shop. Today was a chill day, nothing too crazy. Had 2 customers come in, but they were new to skateboarding, so I didn't want to get them on camera, make them feel awkward or overwhelmed. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.